Mama going to play with me.
Hello guys. Today I'm gonna play with JP. We're gonna play together.
And get my friends here.
You got what? Your friends? Who's that? What's he gonna play?
I'm trying
Playing drops.
and
Let me take off the coat.
this and this and this net and this good this.
We're gonna play monster truck?
Yeah.
Or are we gonna play with dress up? We're gonna play dress up. Are we gonna be? Oh, it's fit on me. No, look, it's fit.
You get them.
Okay, you're gonna be a firefighter.
Yeah.
Okay. What you gonna be? A policeman? Okay, you can go put this. Police. You're gonna be a police. Uh-oh. It's too big. Yeah, it's too big. Here we go.
Yay!
And where is my hat? This one?
Left it.
It's not fit. I'm gonna be construction.
I'm going to be
Police. There you go.
You want to hear that?
You wanna hear it? I'll let them hear it. Wow. What I am? A construction. The construction playing with the car. The construction gonna play in the car. Huh? No? What are you gonna play? Oh, I'm gonna build something. What am I gonna build? What? I'm gonna build those thermostat tray. Gonna build those?
Outfit. It says outfit.
Oh, it's all fixed. Let me try. Whoa. Uh-oh. These are too small to my head. It's always off. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what happened to Thomas?
We're going to put them up here.
Okay.
And
That's so cool.
outfit.
It's all fixed.
Come on.
Come on.
Thomas, go here. Ready?
That thing don't fit me. So I'm gonna be a smoky.
Smoky?
Yeah, smoky.
I'm too small. You're going to break it.
No, I'm not breaking. Wow, I am a smoky. What about policeman? Construction smoky?
No, I'm not.
Yeah, these are too small. These are too small for Mama. So we're gonna put it back. We're gonna put it back where we get it. Uh-oh.
Okay.
Smoky fall off. Can I be a policeman? No.
I'm too small. I want to be policeman. Where policeman?
Right there in the floor. Guys, I'm gonna show you JP's playroom. Look, it's a lot of toys in here.
That's a lot of toys. More lots of toys are Ryan stuff.
Oh, what?
Ryan stuff.
Ryan stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, he wants to get more Ryan stuff.
Yeah. Mama.
Uh-oh. Here, sure.
Homework.
Okay, where are you gonna do it?
Stop.
In here?
Oh,
Do it back here. Show it to them what you're gonna do. What you gonna do?
I'm going to my room.
Okay, you put it on the table right here. JP, right here. There you go. You can sit down.
You ready?
Look, guys, we draw this one.
Ryan.
He said it's Ryan's mama, and this is Ryan.
Ryan. We'll start with that.
F.
F.
You know how to draw F? Guys, we're gonna do the
ABC.
ABCs. We're gonna learn the ABCs now. Okay. Policeman, you gonna learn the ABCs?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How?
Wait. Here you go. This is a fish. Can you draw F?
F.
F. A fish. I'm gonna show you what is this look like a fish. F
Fish.
like this. F is like this. There you go.
Yeah.
F. Oh, and the up, the very up. Good job. F. What about this is a goat. Letter.
Ever shoot the goat?
It's letter G, like this.
Whoa.
G, like you make a letter C. No, in the very top. There you go. Yeah. Yep, from that line to down.
That's function.
G. Good job. But you need to put it in from up to down here, and you curve. Okay. No.
Function space.
Yeah, it's you need to do this. Come on, let me see. Go like letter C, curve
Function space.
down.
Just function space.
That's not a nice word. Is it a nice word, guys? No, it's not a nice word. Oh, come on.
No.
Okay, you go now.
I'm ready.
Oh, he's already done. You get bored quick. Then now he's gonna play again. Hurries. You get bored doing the paperwork. He's gonna do his games. You put this back. Where did you put it? Okay. Okay, he's gonna play chase. He's playing chase now. He's playing chase.
That awesome?
Is that awesome?
That awesome, kids. Look.
Yeah, that's look awesome. Look. Wow. And here's Chase. He gonna be riding in the back?
Mine's on front.
He's riding in the front.
Other Chase is going right on back.
My goodness.
Awesome. Wait for that. What's that?
I don't know.
Maybe that monster here. Maybe monster here.
There's no monster in here.
Yeah, I hear that noise.
I hear it too, but it's not a monster.
What's that?
I don't know what is that.
It's a squirrel.
It's a squirrel.
Oh no, that's not real one.
He's not real one.
This is almost a broke.
Yeah. He's showing you guys with those fish and deer up there.
Your hat.
We are in the, it's like an attic, but we make it a playroom. We made a playroom for him, but this is an attic. We are working in our house. I mean, we are still in construction and it's too dark. See, we're still working in the house and we don't have enough space inside, so we just make him a playroom right here, right now.
Yeah.
So now he got a big space to play.
Yeah.
But this one is only a storage when the house is done. So this is what this is now. It's working as his playroom.
My house is already done.
But when the house is done, he can have his own playroom, not this room, because this is only a storage. That is a pretty nice space for him to play here than in the camper.
I want more Ryan toys.
You're gonna earn it. If you want more Ryan toys, you're gonna earn it.
Yeah, get all of them.
So you're gonna work for it. You need to clean up your toys and stay clean.
You already have this.
Uh-huh.
Ryan toys.
What are you doing now? Cleaning up? Are you done playing? You cleaning up now?
Who's that?
I don't know. Clean up, clean up.
Everybody.
Everybody clean up. But he's still playing right there. He said clean up. Whoop. Whoop.
Yeah, mine diamond. You want to see it? A diamond.
Wait.
I'm going to show a diamond.
You're going to show the diamond to them? My goodness. Is that a real diamond?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can break it.
Can I break it?
Hold the plastic. Don't put it back.
You put that up.
Don't just raise it.
Yeah.
Party.
Party.
Monster truck! Monster truck! Monster truck! Just kidding, guys.
Just kidding, guys. Okay.
Mystery box.
Yeah, mystery box. What you doing in that mystery box? Let's see. He's doing his mystery box.
I got this. And put it there. And I got this. I'm going it away. And put this here at something. Uh-oh. You okay? And put it here. Well, then I'll stop it. Awesome.
What are you doing?
That awesome. Guys. Oh. Other.
Get ready, what?
Put this here.
The light is too bright and some of this we just walk up. So
Yeah, the wake up time.
let's wake up time. You know, go play with it here with the small cars. Remember the cars? Goes there. Look, Thomas is stuck up.
Put that down.
Come on, let's race our car. Come on, give me a car. We're gonna race. We're gonna race it here. Come here, give me a car. We're gonna race a car.
I got little.
Who you think gonna win, JP or Mama?
I got one.
Okay, give me one. We're gonna race.
I got one.
Okay, give me one. Okay. Hold on. Oh, wait.
Put yours up front.
Okay. Ready? No. You did it right there. Ready? Set. Go. Uh-oh, mine don't run. Let's see. Let me find another one. Let me find the one that is running.
Yours won.
Mine runs. Let me get the car that is running right here. This one.
No, I'm going this one.
There we go. This one.
No, I'm going here.
Okay, I got one here. Look, guys. What color is mine? Look.
Red.
I got red and blue.
I got blue.
Yeah, that's his. That's what your favorite? That's his favorite color, blue. Ready, set, go.
Whoa. I'll go that way.
Go that way.
Whoa.
Mine.
Oh.
Oh, mine.
Oh my God. I win.
Yours winning?
A tie.
A tie. It's a tie. It's a tie.
That's awesome, kids.
Is that awesome?
It's a tie.
It's a tie. One more.
And the there.
Yeah.
And
okay with it?
Yes, or?
Yes, they are. Who's winner?
Nobody.
Nobody. Nobody involved. The green one, the green one, the blue one, and the red one is not. They're late. Woo.
Well, tie.
It's a tie. Good job.
Gray one is winner.
As the winner. Okay.
They're not.
They're not. Oh. Say bye, guys.
Bye.